Namaste. Today we will talk about Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a popular yogic kriya, cleansing practice we have been doing since ancient time. Kapalbhati. It's a very famous and very popular yogic kriya. So today we will learn about how to do it step by step, its importance, its benefits, and the one who should not do it, you should avoid it. We will talk about this Kapal Bharti in detail today. So Kapal Bhati, Kapal means your entire face, especially your forehead or skull, and the Bhati, not Bharti. Bhati means shining or illuminating. So Kapal Bhati. Let's start how to do it step by step. So make sure that your stomach is empty before before doing that. You make sure that your stomach should be empty, not full, or 3 or 4 hours after having meal. You can do that. So first you will sit. You can sit comfortably in yogic or meditative postures like Vajrasan, Padmasan or Sukhasan, in which you are comfortable. Then, yes, place your both the hands on your knees and your palm facing upward. Make sure your backbone, your spine is erect and your shoulders are relaxed. Close your eyes and inhale gently. Fill your lungs with air, with fresh air, and exhale forcefully. Abdominal contradiction, contradicting your abdominal. Forcefully exhalation, and you should focus on your exhalation, not inhalation. And inhalation, naturally it will happen, it will passively. So focus on your exhalation forcefully. So continue. You will continue this in a rapid, in a speedy or steady 1 to 2 minutes initially. When you are comfortable in it, then you can increase your time 5 to 10 minutes. When you do it one round, when your one round is completed, then you sit comfortably and observe your breathing. Now you can do 3 to 5 round, 1 minute. Now you can increase your time according to your comfortable. Initially you can do it 1 to 3 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and after that increase the timing. So now I will tell you about the benefits. There are numerous benefits when you do Kapalbhati every day 5 to 10 minutes regularly. You will take rounds. So there are numerous benefits. Now I will tell you only few. When you do Kapalbhati, it will enhance your lungs capacity. Definitely enhance your lungs capacity because you are regularly breathing, exhaling or inhaling, and it it relax your body, and it promotes your sense of calmness and positivity, reduce your stress, anxiety and mental fatigue, and it improves your capacity, your energy level, and it helps in digestion by stimulating your abdominal muscles. It assists weight management by boosting your metabolism. Beneficial for sinus also, sinus issues, by cleansing nasal passages, improves blood circulations, and it strengthens your abdominal muscles, and it helps in detoxification by by explaining toxins through your nose. So it has a lots of benefit when you do it regularly. And the one who should not do that Kapalbhati, one who should not much focus on that, who should avoid this Kapalbhati, the person who have chronic diseases, who have severe diseases like lungs problems, like heart diseases, hernia, and like the women who are pregnant, the women who are going through the period, going through the menstruation time, they should avoid this Kapalbhati. And one who have some spine problem, severe pain, and who have some chronic diseases, they should avoid this Kapalbhati practice. Take consult your doctors first, then you, before you doing that Kapalbhati. But Kapalbhati is really very beneficial. It's not only radiant your face, but also it improves your energy, it purifies your body, and there is a lot of benefits if you do it regularly. So today I have told many things about Kapalbhati. So just do it regularly, and make this part of your life. So today let's do Kapalbhati. I hope this video is beneficial for you. So let's start again. Namaste. Tomorrow I will come with a new yogic posture, yogic asan, yogasan. Till then, bye bye.